everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, sir. Sir, today we have to make graph.
Sorry, what?
Good afternoon, sir.
Sir, today we have to do graphs.
Yes. So all of you.
Yes,
before
sir,
that,
and I have bought a graph book also.
Before that,
Sir, I have also bought and I have made a graph also yesterday.
okay. Now listen
Sir,
to me.
should I show you?
No, beta. Listen. All of you, listen to me. Open page number 175 quickly in your book. Page number
Okay, sir,
175.
okay.
Open करिए. In that page, you have to write 3 definitions. The first is the top line. 175 page पर आपकी copy में लिखने definition, not on the graph copy. In your classwork copy, data की definition लिखेंगे. First line, the very first line. This is the definition of data. Then you
Sir, I
write
didn't got a graph notebook
in your classwork copies you have to write. Then you write the definition of pictograph, this whole paragraph, and then you write the definition of
Sir,
bar,
page number
175. Then you write the definition of bar and column graphs, this one. So 3 definitions you have to write down.
Sir, in bar and column graph, we have to write whole para.
Yes, whole para in all the 3. This definition of data, then the whole para for pictograph, and then the whole paragraph for bar and column graphs. Start doing it. Have you all completed?
Yes, sir, completed.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, what we are doing? Sir, actually, sir, I cannot find my maths book. So, sir, can you post me the pages of maths book that we are doing right now?
Beta, someone please take a picture of page number 175 and send it to Vivan. Send a photograph of page number 175 to Vivan on WhatsApp. Okay.
Yes, sir, complete.
So done, all of you? Shall
Yes,
we-
sir, done.
Yes, sir. Sir, done.
Now we shall start doing the exercise. We have already seen a lot of videos of bar graphs. I hope the concept is clear to everyone.
Sir, in
Yes,
I didn't get my graph book notebook. So what I should?
Beta, you buy it today. Okay, buy a bar graph notebook today. Nandini has done the work. She is showing it on the screen. Very good, Nandini.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, all of you.
Sir, is this the bar graph notebook?
Beta, just a minute.
Sir, is this a
Well, can we start
Sir,
doing
is
I
this
was
one?
just-
Sir, is this the bar graph notebook?
Beta, just wait. I cannot find your video. Where?
Sir, okay, sir.
Nothing. Where is the video? Let me see.
Okay, I will buy today onwards.
Okay, let me show what is a bar graph notebook.
Sir, please see my it is correct or not?
I'm showing you what is a graph notebook. Okay? Just wait.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta. So see, I have shared my screen. You can see graph notebook. This is the-
Sir, is this the bar graph notebook? Sir, do you see?
I am showing it on my screen. You can see these are pictures, some pictures of graph notebook.
Yes, sir. My is correct.
It's correct.
So just watch it on the screen and buy a similar notebook like this, or
Bar graph notebook. Sir, is this the bar graph notebook?
this is a graph.
Sir,
This is
my is
a
correct.
graph of a graph page. You can see it on the screen. Okay. Yeah. So on this
Sir, please see
graph
Rishika
notebook,
Agarwal.
sorry.
Sir, please see Rishika Agarwal camera.
Rishika. Anji. Yes, correct. Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Very good.
Sir, I had done this on last page.
Okay.
Sir, nobody has sent till now. Sir, nobody has sent the page number right now.
Now, someone please send the photograph of page number 175 to Vivan. Send it to him, please. Okay.
Sir, can we start doing?
Yeah, we are starting with the questions. Okay, first question, all of you. Can you open page number 177 in your books? Page number 177, open period. We are starting with the exercise.
Sir, open.
Okay, so in your, I cannot draw all the lines on the board on my board, but I hope you can understand how to draw it in your graph notebook. So first of all, you will draw two axes. This will be your
Excuse me,
vertical.
sir.
Yes.
Sir, we need to buy a bar graph notebook.
Good morning, beta. Hello, how are you? कहाँ थे तुम अभी तक? कहाँ थे बेटा? You're joining very
Sir,
late.
I was in the class. Sir, please tell.
नहीं, पहले ये बताओ थे कहाँ पर?
Sir, class में.
You were there in the meeting only.
Yes, sir.
बेटा मैं कम से कम 10 बार अभी तक बता चुका हूँ. At least. Obviously, you have to buy a graph notebook. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you will draw two axes like this, y-axis and x-axis. Buy a thin one. Don't buy a very thick graph notebook. Just buy a very thin graph
sir.
notebook because you need only 5-6 graphs for the chapter. So buy a thin graph notebook.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so this is these are your axes, y-axis and x-axis. You will draw two lines like this, vertical and horizontal. So on your y-axis, you will make a scale. First of all, let us understand what is the data about. Make a bar graph to show the following information regarding the number of children who played cricket on 5 days of the week. So number of children who played on Monday, यहाँ पर दिया हुआ है कितने बच्चे कौन से दिन खेले थे क्रिकेट. ठीक है, मंडे को how many students played on Monday? 12 children, sorry. On Tuesday, 16 children played cricket. On Wednesday, how many? 10. Thursday को 14 बच्चों ने खेला था. And Friday, 17 children played cricket. Okay, so this is the data all about. So first of all, according to the data given here, I will be marking the scale. So first of all, I am taking there are some blocks made in your graph paper. If you are having a graph notebook, you can note that blocks
Yes,
are
sir.
made in your graph
Sir,
paper.
of two.
Yes, sir.
One, this is after one each block you mark a dash like this. Draw a dash after each block. So one
Sir,
block, leave the space of one block
sir,
and
how
mark
many dashes?
another block, mark a dash, then leave one more block, mark a dash like this. You keep marking these dashes after one block. So you can mark 7 or 8 dash like this, 7, 8. So after on so one block I am taking equal to 2 students. One block I have taken equal to 2. So 2, 4, 6,
I found my book.
8. Very good. चलो अच्छी बात है. 8, 10, 12, 14. So I have written like this. इसके ऊपर भी बना लेंगे because I don't have space on my board. So I hope you all can draw this. I don't have that much space, but you can draw it in your copies. Is it visible?
Sir, we have
Sir,
fair copy.
So draw it till 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. So leave one block space after every dash. Okay. So you have prepared a scale for the given data. Now,
Sir, I had made till 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Now what should I do?
now leave one block here. And after one block, you will write Monday here, MON. I'm writing in short form, MON. And then another block, you leave one block and one more block, write Tuesday. Then WED for Wednesday. Then Thursday, and similarly you will write for Friday also.
Sir, we have to. Sir, we have to. In means in the.
So now on Monday, how
So
many?
we have to draw it with a pencil or with a pen.
You have to draw it with a pencil only, and draw the lines everywhere. You have to draw the lines with the help of a scale only. Okay, scale ki
And
help se
sir,
draw. Yes.
sir, we have to mark them till 16.
Mark them till 18, till 18. Is it not visible?
Sir, we have to complete our bar graph notebook.
You have to mark it till 18. Okay.
Sir, can I start?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now on Monday, how many students played cricket? 12 students played cricket. So for Monday, you will draw a bar. Use a scale to draw these bars. Okay. And take it till the number 12. 12 तक इसकी height कहाँ तक जाएगी? The height of the bar will go till 12. And then you finish it like this. Okay. So this is for Monday, and like this you can make all the bars. Tuesday ka also I am one more example I am giving. For Tuesday you will take it to 16. The height should be 16 because the number of students played cricket on Tuesday. कितने students हैं? 16. So like this you will make for Tuesday also. And now one more very important thing here, y-axis. How are you going to label it? Number of children. Y-axis, number of children. Okay, so this scale is showing what? This scale is showing number of children. And what is this? These are days of the week. Days of the week. And you also have to write the heading of the bar graph. What is the bar graph showing here? You have to give a heading to the bar graph. Heading क्या देंगे यहाँ पर bar graph को? You can give the heading as number of students playing cricket. तो क्या शो कर रहा है ये bar graph? Number of students who played cricket. So you can write this heading at the top. I hope you all have understood. Are you all drawing it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Keep on doing it.
But sir, in Friday there are 17 children, so we have not marked 17.
This is what I was about to tell you. Very good question.
Sir,
On
I know. We will
Friday-
make 16 and between 16 and 18.
Yes, on Friday there are 17 students, but on the scale you are not seeing the number 17 written here. 17 तो यहाँ पे लिखा ही नहीं है, फिर क्या करेंगे? you will take the height of Friday till between 16 and 18. 16 and 18 के बीच में होगा 17. So you
Okay,
take
sir.
it till between 16 and 18. Okay.
Sir, what you had written below Monday, Tuesday, days of the work.
Days of the week.
Sir, made.
Sir, what is the title?
The title will be number of students played cricket. Number of children who played cricket.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir, after making the lines or the boxes, so sir, after that we have to color it also.
No, that is your choice. I don't matlab force you to color these. In fact, you should not color them. It is
Sir, I
not
had
required.
sent
Okay,
my
sir.
work. Sir, I had
It is not-
sent my work on WhatsApp. Please see.
Okay, I will see. You are not required to color these bars. Okay, you just have to draw them. Okay, matlab just have to sketch them with the help of pencil. Okay.
Sir, the time is less than 1 minute.
Sir, I have drawn the bar graph.
Very good.
Sir, I have drawn the bar graph and sent on the group.
Okay.
Sir, what is the title?